I keep hearing it everywhere. We connected 5 billion people, and somehow made the loneliest generation in history. Young adults are sounding the alarm. Around 59% say loneliness is hurting their well-being, and roughly 79% feel lonely to some degree. About a third feel lonely every day. Many report anxiety and depression riding shotgun. Social media was supposed to help. Sometimes it does. But it also fuels anxiety, depression, FOMO, isolation, especially for teens and young adults. And yes, studies show social media and depression are linked, but more time online doesn't always predict feeling worse. It's complicated. Still, the trend is brutal. Cyberbullying can spike depression by about 70% among affected teens. Over half say they feel anxious or depressed after scrolling. WHO data shows problematic use among adolescents jumped from 7% to 11% in just 4 years. Here's the twist. By 2025, the most common use of AI is emotional support. Not ideas, not spreadsheets, companionship. That tells me something deeper is broken. We built platforms for connection that became engines of isolation. Optimized for engagement, not humanity. Conflict pays, outrage spreads, echo chambers stick, all by design. But design can change. What if technology centered human dignity? What if AI amplified understanding instead of division? What if platforms rewarded deep conversation, diverse perspectives, real community? I don't think we need more social networks. I think we need social infrastructure, technology that helps humans be more human together. This is a choice. Connection over extraction, care over clicks, depth over doom scrolls. If that resonates, let's map it. Policies, product principles, metrics that value well-being,